So I just got home and Kuko's here. Remember, he's my neighbor, Josh, and he just brought me my Christmas gift, and he didn't have to. I am really honored, and I wanted you guys to see it because I'm super excited. It's a Milwaukee bag with an impact driver and a drill M12 with batteries and a charger and everything, and he knew I wanted it. It's the new ones because they're lightweight, and the impact driver is great for like taking off bolts and putting on bolts like valve cover and things like that. It's easier and it goes by faster than the other tool I have, the ratchet. The ratchet is more for like tight spaces and angles, and I don't know, they're all different tools, and he knew I wanted one and he got me one, and I'm super excited about it. I want to show you guys that I have good friends. Welcome to another Drift Happy Garage video. We're going to be working on the race car. If you saw in the last video, it caught fire. We have to fix this whole rear end because we have a car meet at Ace Cafe on Sunday, and today is Thursday, so we're pretty short on time, but it's going to get done. My number one thing that I want to do is my turn down for my exhaust to kind of lead the flame away from the fuel cell. That's going to be my next welding project, which is awesome, so I get to progress in that. I'm also going to be redoing the wiring for the taillights because it's all burnt, so I have to cut them at the source and redo it all. It's not hard. It's like a couple of bulbs and brake, and that's it. And I'm going to be redoing the fuel lines. They are a little bubbly. They do hold pressure, but there's no reason to risk it. I have some more lines, so I'll just replace them. And then I have to clean the fuel cell and see if I can take it apart and clean it. If I can't put it back together, then we'll probably have to look about getting another fuel cell. Otherwise, we might be able to put it back together and get another cap. If I can take it all the way off, I'm going to weld a cap that stays on the cell, so even if it does fall off, it doesn't end up somewhere on the track. You can just put it back on, so, or if it comes open, I mean. So let's get started on that. Megan is here being lazy. She basically came to bring me the camera, but I had to bribe her with McDonald's. Just on her phone, doing nothing. Matt's also here, learning new things about his car.
Yeah, figuring out the digital dash situation. Yep.
These are the pieces I've been working on. I had this nice little elbow turn or whatever, and I made another pie like that, and it's gonna go like that, and I'm gonna weld it to my pipe like that, and that's simple enough, and it makes the flame go down. So that should be pretty easy to weld, I hope. This is what Matt's exhaust looks like. He has one too. See, that's my inspiration. I wanted to look like that. It just turns down slightly.
Turn down for what?
No.
Tack.
Go.
Hold on, I'm rotating it so I can do the second tack. But this is like super sketchy. Oh, Matt, you want to weld?
Yeah, I do.
Do the weld. Hold on, let me tack this, and then it'll be good.
Dang.
That's a really like big tack. My bad.
Alright, so what button does weld?
So that button, and then you want to keep the torch about a quarter of an inch away from the metal, so that the gas shields, so it's easier. You can see it.
And then it like just kind of comes out.
Yeah, it just comes out. So start running.
Like,
That's what she said.
A lot of people, everybody's different, but a lot of people just run smooth, like a nice smooth, same speed,
I'm sure like
same distance away, or you can do like little
I'm gonna do
circles.
See.
Okay.
Oh, is this one of the auto tinting ones?
Yeah. So you can like see. No, wait, hold on.
So
5 degree angle. 5 degree angle. So like
5 degree like this?
Yeah.
Or 5 degree like
no.
Okay, 5 degree. Okay.
Yeah. 5 degree. Probably a lot
like,
more.
hang off?
Yeah, like that. What you do? No brown? That's shitty ground because it's fucking painted.
It was like, bop.
No, you're just... Oh, damn, Matt, you can weld yourself.
It did something.
That's not horrible. You gotta make it thicker though. Let's start laying it thicker.
I literally did
Wire speed is a little high.
one line.
Do it again. Wire speed was high. Just right next to it. Lay the beads. No, that's bad. It sounded weird. It's not bad.
I mean, it's
It's really good, actually. There's a pool. Make sure you make the pool size the same, and that makes the bead the same. That's at the beginning there. We didn't cut it.
That one was terrible. I could feel that one.
Why was it terrible?
I just felt like it was terrible.
I think that's the better one.
Oh.
Watch.
Yeah, I want to try and do like the little like loop-de-loops.
Oh look, they all penetrated, but look at that last one. You actually like penetrated.
Full penetration.
Yeah, that's the best kind.
He's single, ladies. And he has full
Run a-
penetration.
Now run a bead in between those two beads.
That's weird. You see it messing with it?
Damn, Matt. You're on fire over here. Wow. Why are you touching, Megan?
I thought it
I
was
want to weld
mushy.
something.
That's really good. Dude, that's a nice bead, that last one. You're getting really good. You can weld up your whole car now. Don't look at it like that.
Matt the Ginge Cages, $3,000 for a 6-point.
Hold on, let's weld another piece of metal to it. Here,
Yeah.
what is this? Do you need this?
Practice.
No, I think it's aluminum though.
Is it?
I don't
It
know.
looks like steel. It's heavy. Try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Here, what about this?
Alright, let's
This
do
is
it.
the trash pile.
Yeah, that's
from
very thin.
Ryan.
This is better. Do it. It's
Yeah, but
hilarious.
this is more challenging because it's thick and thin. Now.
Yeah, but it has paint. The other one.
Gee, you're not trying to fucking challenge me day one.
Thick and thin, thick and thin.
Come on, man. Just
It's
lay
like
it on
I'm
there.
trying to just
Hold
like-
it with one hand then. Like a real welder. Make sure you just tack it. Don't like do a full weld on it. No, like a real tack, like a heavy tack. Like, brr, lay a big puddle on it. Did it hold?
Yeah.
Now lay the rest of it. Whoa!
Did that backfire?
Yeah, like massive. Let me see this. Damn, Matt! Bro,
That's actually pretty good.
that's really good.
That's better than his first welds.
That's really
That's
good
better than his
penetration, bro.
current welds.
Wow. Guess who set up the welder?
You said it.
I
I would turn this on. I'll be like,
want to weld the other side now. Hold this. A little welding competition here with noobs. Pass the torch.
you caked it on there.
Bro, I had to like make sure it wet all the way down. There was a massive gap. Did you see the gap?
Let's do another thing. I want to weld something.
Dude, that's awesome. That's pretty good though, right?
Yep.
I think I was like very heavy on it, but at least it ain't gonna break. I wonder what the backside looks like. Very well penetrated. What else you gonna weld?
I'm gonna weld the loop to
This
the
is
loop.
Did it work?
Yeah, of course it worked. I did it.
Oh man! First time welding, now he's a master. Wow, you think I taught you? Oh my God, Matt! Whoa! You're a professional.
I told you. $4,000 cages right now.
Did it just go up? Of course, for the snap. Hasm, judge here. Which is a better weld? Matt's weld on this side or my weld on this side?
This is a better weld.
Oh, you think so?
But this is his first time, and that's really good, I think.
I agree. He's definitely killing the game. I didn't do that the first time for sure. Fudge.
You want me to do it for you, Mark?
No, go away. So excited, I get to use the new tools that Kuko gave me. Yeah, we're gonna take the fuel cell out of there so we can clean it, and we're gonna take the lines off so that we can replace them. Guys, I'm super excited because it's 2019 and I went to the DMV and my car is from 1989, just like me, and I was able to get an antique tag. It says antique because it's 30 years old for Florida. I'm having a hard time deciding if I want to put it with the BC Racing or just alone so you can read the antique. Can't decide, but I'm super. Let's put it on the car real quick. Oh. That's it, that's it.
Damn, it took the whole thing out.
Next. Next.
Relax, Trinky. Why is it being
Go. That's it. Were you recording?
No, I missed it. You're the man.
Yeah.
Sorry, missed it though.
Thank you. So the reason we're taking the gas out is because when they were turning the fire off, they actually sprayed that sandy, foamy thing. It was different extinguishers. Each one is different. But they sprayed it and the cap was missing, so a lot of it went inside the fuel cell. There's, you know, all kinds of people. Some people told me you'll be all right. You have a filter for a reason. Just go. But then a lot of people, most people told me, take it all the gas out, throw it away, put new gas, or clean your fuel cell and put new gas. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's only like half a tank that was in there, not a big deal. We're just gonna drain it, take the bladder out, open it up, and let it breathe overnight. Oh, the whole thing's coming up. That's all right.
You sweating?
It's fucking heavy. Oh, geez. We still have a lot to work on. Get that taken apart, the bladder, so we can clean it and change the fuel lines and the wiring. But I'm pretty stoked on everything we did today, and I'm so glad Hazem and his cousin came over. This is amazing, and I love hanging out with my friends at the shop. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and sharing. Goodbye.